How to suggest a place on Snapchat. Hi everyone, this is Kit and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can suggest a place on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up Snapchat in your device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in, now tap on your Bitmoji icon from the top left corner. You will land in this page here. Scroll all the way down and there you'll have a section that is Snap Map. Right under that, tap on Not Sharing Location. After that, tap on Suggest a Place. Now all you have to do is you have to enter the details like name. So tap on the text box and then type in the name of your business. After that, you have to tap to address or to add address. So tap on this map to add your business address. Under that, you have to add the category. Tap on it and then add your business category. Also, you will need to add the attributes. Tap on Tap to Attributes and add your attributes. Under that, you have to tap hours. So to add hours, tap on the Tap to add hours. Under that, there is a text box for you to enter the website. So enter the website of your business, and at last you have to enter the phone number. And there you can add your business photo as well. Adding photos will help you verify your suggested changes. Once you have done providing all the details, you have to review the information and submit your suggestion. So tap on Submit button. After that, Snapchat will review it before adding it to Snapchat. So you are good to go, and that's how you can add or suggest a place on Snapchat. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.